Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to our presentation. Today, let us discuss about Constitution. The chapter can be explained under the points Introduction, Constitution in the history, Gravel's constitutions, carbonitrogenate, oxygenate, hydrogenate. Then constitutional diagnosis and constitutional medicine. Now, under introduction, let us discuss about the definition, the genotype inheritance of an individual, the physical makeup of the body, including its functional ability, metabolic activity, reaction to stimuli, and resistance to infection. The word meaning, Latin word constitute or constitute means to set up, to establish or to make up. According to Stuart Close, that aggregate of hereditary characters influenced more or less by the environment which determines the individual reaction, successful or unsuccessful, to the stress of the environment. Dr. J.T. Kent explained it. Physical constitution is the external disorder following disorder in the man, the vital force. According to Dr. Small, constitution is the condition or condification or influence that any class, organs or humors may exert when it predominates in the system. According to Dr. N.C. Bose, physical constitution is the soil on which grow the idiosyncrasies, diatheses, susceptibilities, dyscrasia. Let us explain the definition. At the time of birth, the baby receives few characters of parents, genetic characters. Baby resembles like his parents. Then baby grows facing environmental conditions which influence her behavior or comprehending pattern. Factors from parents is called endogenous, and later influence of the environment influence the character of the body and mind. So constitution can be explained as inherited plus comes across. Constitution in the history, Aristotle, the group of persons under different headings, Galen, Vagi, Rademacher. Hippocrates said that every individual has its own nature and it is very difficult to change nature. Endogenous and exogenous constitutions influence him. Constitutional study is compared with physiognomy, an art of judging the character of anything by its general appearance like face, physique, etc. Leon Vanier classified constitution as phosphoric, fluoric and carbonic depending on the predominance of the chemical elements of the body. Number 1, carbonic corresponds to the vitality, originates from sora and affect the epithelium. Phosphoric, act of vitality, originate from the tubercular miasm and affect serous membrane. The fluoric constitution, instability and originate from the syphilitic miasm and affect the elastic tissue. Sora, inflammation corresponds to excitation, psychosis, proliferation corresponds to inhibition, syphilis, destruction corresponds to loss of function. Next, Gravegel's classification, he has classified it in 1870, the German homeopath, based on the biochemical contents of the body, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen and hydrogen. Excess or deficiency of these elements develop different type of constitution like carbonitrogenate, oxygenate, hydrogenate. Carbonitrogen constitutions is the result of insufficiency or inadequacy of oxygen, characterized by excess of carbon and nitrogen and insufficient of oxygen, which cause deficiency disorder and perverted nutrition. Tissue does not absorb sufficient oxygen or nutrition. This is called functional disturbance. The symptoms of carbonitrogen constitution: breathlessness, respiratory disorder, frequent and shallow respiration, fast pulse, constipation and diarrhea, flatulence, urinary troubles, vertigo, ataxia, somnolence, hypochondriacs, irritable, extraordinary impatience, flatulency, urinary trouble, swelling of joints and gout, patient is irritable and impatient, skin looks dirty, unhealthy, very fetid perspiration, symptoms aggravate by excessive eating, resting and sexual excess, diminished quantity of water in the tissue. The remedies are Rustok, Separsol, phosphorus and lycopodium. It resembles to Sora. Oxygenated constitution is characterized by an excess of oxygen, exaggerated influence of oxygen on the organism, result breakage of hydrocarbon and nitrogen, leads to destruction of tissues and bones. Symptoms of patient improves in carbon and nitrogen environment. The symptoms of oxygenated constitutions are generally nervous individuals with great physical and mental activity, feels better in rain and water, complaints increase at seashore and low altitude, appetite vigorous even during illness, patient feels better by rest and taking food, excessive elimination of urea and phosphates, plethora and great quantity of blood, much oxygen fixed in the hemoglobin, excessive thin, patient cachexia, animal heat is strong after meals and feeble in the interval. Symptoms aggravate by moving from dry atmosphere to humid atmosphere. Symptoms ameliorated by rest and food. The medicines are kali iode, mercury, petroleum, syphilitic miasm is the predominant miasm. Hydrogen constitution, excessive hydrogen is the characteristic of this constitution, lead to retention in the blood and tissue. Symptoms are aggravated by bathing, aggravated by eating seafood or aquatic animals like fish, prawns, the vegetable which grows near water or which have the high content of water aggravate the patient. The psychotic remedies are natrum sulph, thuja, pulsatilla, etc. The constitutional diagnosis is very important for the treatment of chronic diseases. The definition is process of understanding the peculiarity of a person in its healthy state as well as in disease state. Helps also individualizing the person. Three headings of constitutional diagnosis: basic constitution, developmental constitution and environmental constitution. The basic constitution include peculiarities of an individual in his healthy state. No two persons are alike in this world, either in health or disease. This is influenced by endogenous factor. Then the developmental constitution, this can be understood better by learning the past history of the patient. The circumstances and the conditions of the patient need to be studied. Determine the person's psychosomatic state. The environmental constitution determines the person's reaction to the current situation, time, circumstances, either friendly or circumstantially. How the person behaves during a challenging situation, how to cope up the pressure. The helps in learning the person's behavioral pattern, reaction to given environment. The constitutional medicine defined as the medicine which can correct the inherent and acquired defects in the personality. Well, deep acting homeopathic remedy is equal to the constitutional remedy. Example, pulsatilla is well suited to gentle blonde hair, blue eyes, phlegmatic temperament. Thank you very much for your patience listening.